Hey guys, welcome back to this Python course of ours. Now, we have learned about modules, packages, how to create all of them. Now, I just wanted to show you how important those are. So, in this section of ours, we are just going to look into some of the fun libraries that we have in Python. So these libraries, you might use them while you are coding out, or you might not use them. It totally depends, but mostly it is more of a fun section rather than much of a practical section. So we are going to start with pillow. Pillow is something that you are going to use, or else you might use OpenCV. OpenCV is much more of a complex version. But if you're trying to play around with images, if you want to do simple tasks like rotating, or you want to transparent the image, or you want to whitewash it, then Pillow is something that you might use. Pillow is a library in Python. So let me install it. For installation, again, I have downloaded this image for you. You can check it out. This image is the one that we are going to play around with. So to install Pillow, it's quite simple. Pillow pip. So you will be getting out. Let's copy it out and read out all the descriptions that are given over here. There are some documentation. Now I'm not going to go much deeper into this, but more of an overview. So this section is an overview section. Let's install it out. So it's already installed in my system, so I don't need to install it, but I showed it out if you guys are having any problem, if you're not having it in your system. So let's get back. So this is where our notebook is going to start with the pillow file. So we have from PIL, from the package pillow, I'm going to import image, then capital I. Let's run it out. So it has been successful. What is pillow? PIL is the package and image is particularly some module. So let's start with particularly some function. Okay. So let's start with scenery. So I have a scenery over here. Let's name this to scene and we open out the image. It's quite simple again. Image dot open, and inside of it I have to mention the path. Currently the file is in the same path where I have the file, so I'm just going to name out this. Okay, if I try to check out scene, I'll be getting the complete image. So that is how I can load out. Let me toggle the header and toggle the toolbar. So that is how you can import an image on your Jupyter notebook. So this is one of the things that you can do. Now apart from that, let's look into some of the more other things that we can do in this. So let's print the scene dot size if you want to ever check the size of it. So it's an 1601 into 664 pixels of image, so probably an HD nice image that we have. If you want to check the file name, you can also check it out. Let's check scene dot file name in landscape color dot jpg. So that's how you can check it out. You can check the format of it. There's a lot of things that you can play around in this. So let's check the format. Let's check some other things too. So apart from this, I guess we have the info section. So yes, so we have the info section where we have everything regarding this. Okay, so that's when you need a particular description about your image. Now let's look into how to rotate out the image. To rotate the image, it's quite simple. Let's create a new thing. Scene rotate is equal to scene. Now the function that we use is rotate, and I want to rotate it currently to probably 45 degrees. That's it. Let's load it out. Rotate. So you can see that my image has been rotated 45 degrees. Now if you want to turn it once more, let's convert it to 180 degrees. So you can see that it has been just rotated upside down. That's how you can rotate out image in whatever way you want. So apart from that, let's look into how to crop out images. So if you want to crop out images, you just have to mention from where to where you have to crop. So let's say scene dot crop, and you can check out from this scene. You have to mention the box is nothing but a tuple with left, upper, right and lower pixel. So you have to mention from which area you need to cut out, from left, right, lower and upper. So let's write something of 100. Let's write something random, 50 and 200. So PLMH, okay, we don't have such a big. Okay, this is one of this. Yeah, so this is one of the place. So this is the left, this is the right, then this is bottom, I guess. So yeah, this is the upper part, right part, and this is the lower part. That's how you can crop it out. You just have to check it out. So this is, I guess, somewhere from here it is. So we have it from somewhere from here, but yes, you can play around with this and check whichever is useful for you. Now let's look into some more things that we have in our pillow. So if you want to merge any image, that is also possible. Merging image, left right image, if you want to merge it into left right scale, that is also acceptable in this. Now let's look into one more fun thing, that is how to transparent out the image. Let's check out scene. Scene is this. Now let's increase the transparency, put alpha. Let's transparent is to 50%. Now if I check scene, you can see that it has been just increase the transparency. The alpha value has been increased to 50%. So that's how we can do. So we have a lot of things. If you ever want to learn about pillow in very much deep, you can just search out pillow, and you don't even need pillow more documentation. You just search for documentation, and this is the first link. Just click on the first link, you will get everything about pillow. So there are so many things you should be knowing about. So there are some references, installation process, everything. You can just play around with this and check it out, whatever is useful. So that's it for the pillow. Now in the next video we are gonna look into date time library. So let's get into our next video.